Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the middle of getting ready and I got my Ipsy boxes. Well, I got the Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy, whatever this is. I guess is this just Ipsy or, let me look at the card. Okay, I'm kind of confused. Let's see, Ipsy Curator Incubator. We love the product this month. Like, is this my, I guess this is, so this is Boxycharm / Ipsy. It's just kind of confusing because it's still in the Ipsy box. And then we got this paper stuff, which is, they don't have the foam I guess anymore, which, I mean, whatever, it's better for the environment. I can recycle all of this. So, but it doesn't say, it doesn't say, I guess Ipsy, it just says Ipsy, and I don't know if this is, okay, so spring for it is, I guess, the theme. Need a seasonal refresh for your routine? We're on it. Here are the top 3 makeup trends we've already got in rotation. Big blush energy, vinyl lips, and bare necessities. So let's see that's in here. So not happy about this. I have a whole situation with my paid for box. I didn't get to make my choices because both my email, so my email was associated with both, like my paid for box and then the one I get in PR. But then I tried to change it. I'm still having issues. So I did contact them, waiting for a response, but I really hope I don't get double. Like, I really hope I don't get the same products in each box. We got a Natasha Denona palette. This is going straight to my mother-in-law, most likely. This is the Alloy or Alloy, I don't know, palette. It's, fortunately, I mean, I really want to try Natasha Denona, but let's see, I'm trying to see. Yes, some of the shades have carmine in it, so I can't use it. Like, it looks like a nice palette, though. There's that terracotta shade. I'm going to be doing a video all about terracotta shades, but anyway, it is nice. The packaging's nice. It comes in this cardboard box, which, is that how the palettes come? I don't know. I don't think my other one came in like that, but that I didn't buy, but I got my first time back at Boxycharm, my first time resubscribing to Boxycharm. I used to get Boxycharm Premium, by the way, that's what I paid for. But anyway, so eyes, and then we have the Pure Lease Yuzu and Orange Exfoliator. So I also do sneak peeks and spoilers on my TikTok and also on YouTube. This is this Yuzu and Orange. So I feel like we got an exfoliator like from like Do the Gods, I believe. But anyway, packaging's cute, very springy, summery. Resurfaces, boosts collagen, brightens, all skin types, even sensitive. It is cruelty-free, no parabens, no mineral oil, no phthalates. Pretty sure it's vegan. It doesn't say that it is, but I don't see anything that wouldn't be vegan. And so, yeah. I guess this is I think this is a physical exfoliator. I don't know. Just how many exfoliators do we need, you know? Cute. I think I could do, this is a physical exfoliator, you can tell. But anyway, so we got that. And there's no prices on here either, so I'll have to find prices. This is the Boxycharm box. This, I haven't tried this brand, I don't think. This is really cute, the packaging. I thought at first it was LYS because of the, but there's no cutouts. This is from Neen, N-E-E-N. Pretty shiny cream highlighter. Consciously formatted, cruelty-free. Don't see anything that wouldn't be vegan in here. Pretty shiny. It can be used on the eyes, lips, and face. May you be free. May you be happy. May you feel beautiful. Does it come in different shades? Meta is the shade. Really cute packaging. Okay. I haven't opened any of this stuff. All right. Is this like, it still feels like plastic, but has a cooling thing. So maybe this is aluminum. All right. Made in China, but it's distributed in New York, New York. Okay. Let me see if there's a little, all right. So yeah, this is metal, which is nice. So you gotta, so I don't know if you guys, that's why I'm obsessed with Brittany Vassor. Like, I love her videos and her little tip, but right here, there's a little pointy thing. So you can go and open it like, whoop. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Don't know if I see any. This probably is like a little, goes a long way. So then you can wipe that off instead of getting your nails or getting something else. So it's like a gold highlighter. Ooh. That would be pretty on the eyes. I don't know if this is going to match me, but I'm going to put it on my face after I do foundation and everything, and we'll see how that works. And then we have, so I'm not gonna use the exfoliator obviously right now. This is kind of cool. This, I love the packaging. It's a cardboard. This is from Drunk Elephant. This is our O Blues Rosy Drops. And I was just talking about this with my friend. Lala Retro Whipped. Ooh, hold on, okay. Oh, berry sample. Okay. So we got a little baby sample of the Lala Retro whipped cream. I've only tried the polypeptide. So yeah, anyway, I believe all of their products are vegan, but the packaging's really cute. And this Rosy Drops is, I like the metallic. I put teensy bit, so this is Shake It. I put a little bit of it yesterday on my hand. Right there. So just a teensy bit. It's like a light kind of peachy pink. I'm gonna do a little swatch. Very subtle, but I'm sure nothing really has a scent, which is great. I'm sure it's nice and subtle. And then the Ciate lip mask. This is 2-in-1 everyday balm and mask. Non-tacky texture, refreshing lemon scent, and yeah, it says right there vegan and cruelty free. And let's see, lip mask, smiley. I don't know, I keep saying smiley everywhere, so maybe it says, I don't know if that's, is that a collaborator or something? I don't know. Cute packaging. And ooh, okay, that is, I think it's plastic. Yeah, cute little smiley faces. And oh, it is like a balm. Okay, let me put a little bit on. Only thing is I wish I had a little applicator, but okay. Very, very, very light. I feel a little bit of tackiness. Put a little bit on, but that'll be nice. I have dry lips, so that is all that we got. So not bad. I will use everything except for the eyeshadow palette, so not bad at all. And then Ipsy Glam bag, little bag. Let's get into that. So this is a cute little bag. I like that it's canvas. It says look good, do good. And then little thing. I always give these to my daughters. They love these. We go on Grown Alchemist a lot. So this is Grown Alchemist hand cream. And I believe all of their products are vegan. And they're supposed to be a sustainable brand. So this is aluminum. And it is a hand cream, which actually, so again, ready? Pierce it. All right. I have a lot of, what do I have from them? I have a moisturizer now, toner. Is that it? Oh, eye cream, of course. So that has a little bit of like a citrus scent, but not bad. And it does feel very hydrating. And this is $13 a month. That is, I believe, $25. And you can do add-ons. I wasn't able to do add-ons because of the whole box situation. Still figuring it out. Literally, the page will just spin and spin and spin and doesn't get anywhere, or it'll say page failed. Oops, page failed. So I wasn't able to do add-ons or any choices or anything like that. So yeah, hopefully next month. I do pay for that box. That is free, but I do pay for one. So this is from Benefit. I swear we just got something in Benefit last month in Ipsy. But this is the Professional. I believe this is new, but I don't care because they're not cruelty-free. This does feel really nice. Good cleanup, pore, purifying foam cleanser. Probably give this to my brother-in-law's girlfriend or, I don't know, somebody, not me. It's not cruelty-free. And then this is the Shades by Sean. I believe, oh, yep, I do have her setting spray. I do have the setting spray right here. I think that's the only thing. This is an eyeliner. It's made in Germany. It's in the shade Black Tea. It's a gel eyeliner. So I'm going to tightline and we'll see how that works. We'll see. And it's automatic, which usually we get the pencils. Okay, this is going to be really weird, so be prepared. Oh my God, my contact just fell out. Anybody have that where you're literally doing your makeup and your eyes get dry and you're like trying to do eyeshadow? Okay, so I do see the black, so that's good. I'll let you guys know how long wearing this is. I did put it on my hand yesterday and there's still a little bit of residue there, so it is very pigmented. I'll show you guys. Very, very, very black, definitely matte black and very long wearing, at least on my hand. So we'll see about my eye. My eye's just really dry, so that is not the product's fault. Okay, and then we got a mascara. I feel like I've seen this brand before. It's Real Her, and let me see if it's vegan. I don't see any carmine or any beeswax, so I'm pretty sure this is vegan. So length and volume mascara, I Am Beautiful, and it's a travel size. And I think they're cruelty free, but I need to double check. I already have enough mascaras open. And then of course, eye cream. I don't think we got an eye cream last month, but of course we have to get an eye cream. This is from Gold Faden, which we've gotten a lot. Another eye cream. This is their Plant Profusion Energetic Eye Cream, and it's a little baby size. I swear I already have an eye cream from them. But yeah, that is what we got. I mean, it was okay. I feel like we get a lot of eyeliners. I personally like the Boxycharm one better. So I'm going to do foundation and finish up a little bit of my face. Use the blush, use the highlighter and eyeliner on here, and then I'll be right back. I look a teensy bit different from when you last saw me. So I'm going to use these. I'm already wearing bronzer, foundation, powder, concealer, yada yada. I'm going to put the Drunk Elephant Eau Blues Rosy Drops in the shade. Is there a shade? I'm trying to like, it says Fortifying Blush, Omega Fatty Acids, Sapinwood Bark. Is there a shade? I don't know. Doesn't say anything. Okay. Maybe this is just the only one. I don't know. So yeah, little drop of thing. Do I just like put it on my hand, I guess? Feels cooling. Very nice. All right. And I always use, well, okay, let's try to use my finger. It's very light, so I don't know how this would work. Now, I don't choose these. This is my PR box, so I don't choose what I get, but I mean, I'm pretty fair. I think this would be really, like, super light for somebody. There's not really, like, shimmer, so I don't know how you use this as, like, a blush topper. It's very sheer, but I like it. It's, like, very, just a little bit of blush, but it's very pretty shade. I don't know if I say rosy, like, it's more, I mean, I guess it's like a rosy peach. I don't know. But I don't know how this would work for somebody with deeper skin tone. Even like medium, because this is very, you know, light for me. So, but I like it. So, yeah. And we'll see how long it wears too. I can let you guys know. I'm just putting a little bit, yeah, I'm not putting this directly on my face. Like, I'm not going to like, but I'm just putting it a little bit on a brush just to blend it out. It's very easy to blend. And I don't know how much this is. I'll put that on the screen. Yeah, there you go. A little bit of blush. I'm going to use the Mean Pretty Shiny Cream Highlighter. It does look pretty gold on my hand, but, and again, I'm like, I guess you touch it like this. I don't know. It does look kind of dark, but you need a little blob. Okay. I don't know how much is too much. Okay. Use a little brush. Let's see how this has a cast. Yeah, I do see a cast. Okay. So that would be good for like medium, even like deep maybe. But on me, there's definitely like, I can see like a brown line there. So I guess like a bronzer topper. I don't know. Maybe this would be a nice blush topper, but it's definitely not like very highlighty. I mean, I guess, no, I can see a line. Like it looks almost like I put bronzer there. So I'm going to put a different highlighter on. Yeah, I have this Merit highlighting balm in the shade Kava. And let me just do like a shade comparison. So there, we have it right there. And then like the bronzy kind of tone. So I don't know if that comes in multiple shades. I mean, I would hope so, but yeah, that is not a highlighter for me. All right, so that is my finished look today. If you want to find out what's on my eyes, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, so far, okay, let's just go over everything. So this is a yes. I really like this. Hopefully it's long wearing. If not, I'll put a powder on top of it, but I'll let you guys know. This is a no, because this is way too dark. And then the lip balm is a yes. The lip balm and, let's see, the lip balm and mask is a yes, because I really like that so far. The exfoliator, I don't know. I haven't used it yet. Eyeshadow palette's a no, because It's not cruelty. So they're cruelty free, but they're not vegan. And then the hand cream is a yes. I really like it from Ground Alchemist. And then the Benefit, we're not even going to talk about it. The eyeliner so far is a yes. I'll let you guys know how it wears, but it's very pigmented, as you guys can tell. And let's see, the mascara, I don't know yet. So far, like, meh. Like, it's okay. Some stuff is, oh my God. Some stuff is a yes, some stuff is a no. I'm going to give you like real reviews, honest reviews. Even though this is sent for PR, I'm not going to I'm not going to blow smoke up your, you know. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys got in your box and what you chose, because I didn't get to choose. So, and the choices were actually really good. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, a like. I also have a link to Ipsy. It is affiliated down below if you're interested. If you're not interested, you know, thank you for supporting my channel. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.